Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to enable the sidebar feature on your Xiaomi phone. This is a super handy tool that allows you to quickly access your favorite apps without leaving what you are doing. So, let's get started. Open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device, and in the drop-down menu, look for the Additional Settings option and then click on it. Then on the next page, also in the drop-down menu, you will go down to the option, Floating Windows, and click on it. By clicking on the Floating Windows option, a new page will open where you will be visually shown how to use floating windows, but that is not our topic now, so let's move on to the Sidebar option and click on it. The application will open a page where you can also visually see what it looks like when the sidebar is turned on to the option. All that remains is to scroll down to that option and activate it, then go back to the home screen and test it. To use the sidebar, swipe from the edge of the screen. You will see a small bar or list of selected apps. Tap on any app to open it immediately. And there you have it. The sidebar feature is now installed on your Xiaomi phone, making multitasking fast and efficient. Whether you are sending messages, watching videos, or browsing, the sidebar will save you time. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.